Synthetic division is another way to divide polynomials. For this example, we will look at this problem right here, and I will show you how to, first of all, how to write everything down, and then what else to do after that. So first of all, what you want to do is write all of the coefficients of the numerator, and I usually write it in a box like this, but you don't have to. So we have 3 right here, -7, 12, and -3. It helps a little bit to space them out so you don't really get confused. And then over here, another box I like to add. And in this one, I put whatever this value is right here, but the opposite. So in this case, that is a -3. So now that you have it set up, here's how it's done. You're going to bring the first term down, and then you're gonna bring this term times this term here. I'll draw an arrow. I'll draw a dotted line. So -3 times 3, and you're gonna put it right here. Whichever one you do, you put it the column right there to the up and right. So right there, that should be a -9. And then what you do is you add these two terms together and put it right here. So in this case, that's a -16. So then you're going to do -3 times -16 again. And remember, up here, put 48. So then we can add 12 and 48 together, and we get 60 right here. And then we do -3 times 60, which is -180. So then we add that right there, and it gives us -183. Now that we've done that, all we have to do is rewrite these numbers right here as coefficients. So we have 3x. Well, we need to know which one, whether it's x or x squared, or it could be x cubed. Well, the original problem had the first term was an x cubed on the numerator, and on the denominator it was an x squared. Or sorry, it was an x. So x cubed divided by x is just simply x squared. So we have that right there. And then each one after that decreases the power of the exponent by 1. So then this will be -16x, and then we get +60. And then for the last one, this is our remainder, which simply means we write minus, only because that's negative, -183 divided by the original denominator, which happens to be x plus 3. This is my second example of synthetic division, and in this one it's a little bit more tricky because, as you see, the first term is x to the 4th, and the second term skips to x to the x squared. So what we do here is we draw the same box, put a 1 right there because that's the coefficient in front of x to the 4th, and then what we're going to do is put a 0 right here. And this part is crucial. You have to add that 0 right there if you're missing a filler. And then after that, we'll put a -2, a 7, and a 9. Alright, so then right here, we'll put a 2, because that will be -2 times -2 is +2. So the first term, you bring it down here, that's a 1. And remember, you multiply whatever this term is by that, and you put it right there. So that's a 2. And then you add these two, bring it down. 2 times 2 again, that is 4. Add these two, that's a 2 again. 2 times 2 again is another 4. And if you add those two, that's 11. And the last one here, we get 22, which gives us 31. So now we can rewrite this as x to the 3rd, because this is x to the 4th, and that's x. So x to the 3rd plus 2x squared plus 2x plus 11. I'm just getting these numbers right from up there. Plus 31 divided by x minus 2. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned from it. And please feel free to subscribe to my channel and comment on my videos. Thank you.